Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I've forgotten which part of the Raptor build we're at, right? But we've got a few bits and pieces. Main part of the show today is going to be from our lovely partners at GME, the XRS Connect Starter Pack. It's got a nice, decent size aerial. Bro, look, if you need more aerial than that, I don't know, I thought the rest of that sentence was gonna come. Anyway, no dramas at all. It's going into the Raptor. We're gonna mount it on the bar. We're gonna determine exactly where it's gonna go on the bar very, very shortly as well. And then also we're putting the final touches on some sliders which are around here anyway, but that's all well and good. We'll see you guys at the end of the video. You're a pussy. Did you get that? You're breaking up, you're breaking up. I'm just gonna repeat it one more time. You're a pussy. It's your end, bro. It's your end because it's crystal clear on this end. Anyway, that's how you get a GME radio fitted. Is this complete or not?
Yeah, it's complete.
All right, it's complete. So you guys can see that's how you go. Very straightforward fitting process. Saved by an additional bracket off the bonnet hinge there to get the radio on. So if you guys want to get this type of stuff done, obviously oscountypiers.com.au is the place to go. Give us a call, 029627 8627 And other than that, the car's almost ready to go out to Southeast Queensland. You guys are going to see the wrap on it very, very soon. The sliders, they're still continuing. We'll touch base when we get the sliders a little bit closer to the completed product. Other than that, see you guys shortly.